nabangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
So welcome guys, Salamngela. Welcome to Enkundleni exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events. Guys, I know this is one of the best podcasts konapa eZimbabwe. So please do continue tuning in. You know, guys, I've always said this. We appreciate you, Sialtanda, and we are always excited. We are always excited to be here with you guys. So guys, at Deb3 Events, if you need your photography solutions, just contact Deb3. Usebenzisa ama contacts analawo akhona ku screen khona lapho. So if you need a photo shoot, you can contact Deb3. If you need video filming, if you need editing, film editing, guys, for any event, be it corporate, mchato, lobola, everything, Deb3 ikhona iyali inika ama solutions analawo ama services awe photography, awe video filming. Just get in touch with Deb3 Events. So guys, bizongonondo tuzoncube ngihamba lo General Leslie.
Yeah. Asimnandi. Hello, Sanbonani, Magadi.
Nyarara.
I had a very busy weekend. Linkolele, my voice is nyarararing.
Nyarara.
You know what I mean. But this is Enkundleni exclusive podcast. Yamampela, podcast Yelizwe, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events. Special thanks to Oguhle Designs. Hey, Bafet. Aye. So wafike Oguhle. Labana, I think sebengakwanisa ukwenza udoli. Udoli soba mgraphic udoli.
Pero doli sebebaningi.
Okay, it's fine. Simekeleni uno enjalo. But Oguhle Designs, they are the best in terms of graphic designing, t-shirt printing, lanyards for banners, nyakwazi lobola events, weddings, church services, so on. So visit Oguhle Designs and just contact them with numbers below. Bazakutshela ukuthi singancedisana njani. And they are so affordable, guys. Trust me, they are so affordable. Hamba Oguhle Designs, then you leave a comment behind uzanjela. But for today, mina love voice. Voice yami kade mvakashile for the first time ku parliament. Kwafika kwathiwa nyarara.
Unyararwani.
Ivoice yahle yashapha. Up to now angela voice MP nyarara.
So guys, it has been an interesting weekend esidlule kiyo. Sibone a very I don't know whether it's a funny video, but it's a concerning video. I'm sure of that. Sibone a parliament abantu ama MPs esawavotelayo, ama MPs elawavotelayo bephikisana ngendaba ze language use, and into leyi it's something that has been spoken of kakhulu and kanengi in different platforms, in different sectors. We always find kusiba lama conflicts in terms of language use, ukuthi kanti why kusiba lenye language esetshenziswa kakhulu, why kusiba le insinuation yokuthi kulamanye ama languages aqhakathekileyo ukudlula amanye. So I don't know if you saw the video. I don't know if you saw the video. Now, the funny thing about these things is, we're going to serious, but they have a way of being funny. So we are seeing our parliamentarians behaving like comedians.
No, that's not comedy. That's not comedy. Sorry, Nzamsualo. That's not comedy at all. Angazi ukuthi ku category philo kana maybe ku Cartoon Network or something, but comedy no. Mina into engwarisha kakhulu before we even tackle the issue of a language and is how adults or how people that should be representing communities that are hungry, communities that have no water, communities that have no electricity, communities that have no schools. Because ungahamba khathesi emakhaya, there are some kids that still walk up to 10 Ks just to go to school. And even esikolo kwakhona akulama textbooks, yikhiya and that person esimthembile ukuthi ngale kumele ayemela izikhalazo zethu. The only time umuzwa khona ekhuluma uyabe sethi nyarara.
In as much as,
Ngoba
as you put it like
before
that,
we talk about language, umbuzo obubuzwe ngumamalwana obuqhakathekile. Sahle sasuka embuzweni oqhakathekileyo oyakha ilizwe. Safocusa kuma tribal wars. So it means even next time if someone raises a very important question go parliament, edinga uku-address, and it's not the first time. I remember futhi i-parliament eka former president. Kwaba le incident enjalo futhi I don't remember ukuthi kwawu-minister bani, I'll check, wayebuza ngendaba yama-boreholes. Ukuthi amanzi ahlupha, kule plan yini at least yokugebha ama-boreholes. And but the fact yokuthi wabuza ngesintu, sahle sakhohlwa ngendaba yokuthi abantu abalamanzi.
Leslie, have you ever asked yourself, ukuthi, why is it that i-debate le ivuka nxa umuntu angabuza ngesindebele? Have you ever asked yourself that? And also another thing, besides into enale, I still feel ukuthi the manner in which these grievances that are presented by the parliament, the manner in which they are received and presented, also impacts the manner in which they are addressed. Because if your language is not important, you are not important.
Yeah, true.
You get what I'm saying? If your language is not important, then you are also not important. So I think it's those small things. We can look at it and say this is a small issue, but I think it actually shows, speaking on the issue of if your language is not perceived as important, then you're not important. Look at the minority languages. I ignore. I ignore you. Prioritized. Look at the areas. Look at the analyze what minority languages. Akula literature for those languages. Khangela even in terms of development. Kona lapho kulabantu abakhuluma zona lezi ndimi. It's because people are acting as if they are forgotten.
Yeah.
Ngoba ababaqhakathekisa i-identity yabo vele in the first place. So it might look like it's a small thing, but this is a big issue. And banengi abantu abakwazi ama-languages phose wonke abanga-interpreter abadinga umsebenzi abangaqhatshwanga, and you find people being employed as interpreters, but they're not interpreting anything.
I understand. One thing for sure is ingxabano yabantu besindebeleni labantu besishoneni ingxabano vele khona. And
okay,
we might try and avoid it, but yikubona even kungathiwa kudlala i-Highlanders le-Dynamos amapholisa angezelelo. Bathiwa kudlala i-Highlanders le-Bulawayo Chiefs bayathola ukuthi babe balutshwana amapholisa because bayakwazi ukuthi sokungaba lengxabano enjalo. Like you are saying, uminister ukhulume ngesinto and u-MP and ebuza umbuzo wakhe and kwasokusiba lo celayo ukuthi kanti why ku-interpretwa esishona kuphela and
why isishona singa-interpret?
why isishona singa-interpretwa ku-interpretwa isindebele and which is my first problem. Ngoba yena iproblem yakhe ayisikho ukuthi isindebele si-interpretiwe. Iproblem yakhe ukuthi why isishona singa-interpretwa. So undoda lo uyavuma ukuthi ngiyasizwa, but for the sake of interpretation,
no,
no, asi-interpretwe kuphela. But if we are to address these things, let's address them as they are, not comparing. Because the moment we are using comparison, we are then saying we are not worried about our own language, but we are worried about what is happening to the other language. So yena ipoint yakhe bekumele ibe ngeyokuthi why at least kungela o interpreter kumbe why wena ungezwe.
That was the point.
I see your point. Yena uthi isishona si interpretelwani.
I think the reason why efake ngokuthi isishona why singa interpreter is because umama antu ukhulume ngesindebele. Then laphana so kucelwa ukuthi kube lo interpreter bese kuhlanganiswa isishona lesindebele. Do you get ukuthi there is no effort whatsoever? Mina I believe ukuthi nxa kulo MP for instance, let's say ovele Bhinga ematongeni angakhuluma isitonga sakhe kuzwakale kulo interpreter wesitongeni khona ukuyana. It's a small gesture which shows ukuthi people are you know what, right. Can I tell you something? The essence of dialogue kanti eparliament kuyakhulunywa kuyaxoxiswana isidialogue. The essence of dialogue is respect. The moment another party feels disrespected vele idialogue yangikhona ayisayindawo, and we can't ignore that.
I agree. I'm saying sibe lo muntu obuyele enqubekela phambili. Anti ukhulumile uMP okokuqala. Anti uminister wasukuma asikhuluma ngiqinisa uminister kaDelelanga. Uthe into yami le nilalela kiyo angizwa, so amfuni kuphendula into engayisiyo. So sengabe
interpreter ubengekho vele.
Interpreter isikuthi ngakho. Uinterpreter ukhona but itechnology ibingasebenzi kuhle.
Technology ingasebenzi kuhle njani?
Kulabantu aba
building upgradeanga last year.
That's another story. We want to talk about this and finish this. Anti kulama headphones abagqokayo lawa ukuthi nxa kungasukuma umuntu okhuluma isifenda aqasa ukukhuluma anti kulabantu abazwa isifenda ababe kwenye room bakhona yikho kulama headphones lawa. That is something that is there. You could wanna.
I have a feeling they are not there.
No, they are there, but the technology ibingasebenzi kuhle because mina mfuna ukuthi si address problem injengokuba than to create another problem which is not there.
No, we're not creating another problem.
Right. So to
we
continue.
Are saying
anta my headphones lawana uyalalela. So uminister wasukuma wathi into okumele ngizwe kiyo la ayisebenzi. So umbuzo ngiyacina mphendule into engayisiyo. Sengabe nguzwile but because kanisondebele so anguzwisisanga kuhle ukuthi ngiuphendule kuhle.
Exactly.
Bengicela umuntu ozangincedisa nje kwaba lo muntu ofundileyo uMP weqiniso osukumileyo wathi I know ngizakusiza mina ngeinterpretation.
But there were people who were complaining.
I'm telling before the complaint.
Minister kade complain. Aso minister
before the complaint.
Aso MP or raise the issue kade complain.
Phela ngitsho ukuthi problem iqalise nga. Wasukuma indodana watolika nje. Uthe seqedile ukutolika wasukuma uminister. Wakhuluma mbijana ngesikhiwa sabaleka. Anti uthe wasesithi uyavunyelwa ekhuluma ngesishona. Wathi uyavunyelwa ukusebenzisa lakho ulimi anti kwahle kwaba iproblem.
I-translation ibingasekho khona lapho
ibingakacelwa i-translation ibingakacelwa.
Don't act all naive. Listen guys, you know what, I don't think this is an issue ephonguvuka namuhla. This is not an issue ephonguvuka namuhla. Into leyi ihlezi isenzakala.
Khonokho kanguyani but thina sirefere kulokho sikwazi because mina kangikwazi ukuthi kuhlezi kusenzakala.
Thina sihlala siwabona ama video kuhlezi kusenzakala. So these people obviously vele nxa ungumuntu there's a time yokuthi you can say no, enough is enough. Asisukumeni challenge into leyi. And vele besides ukuthi kuthiwa ku raise an important issue which is not what we are talking about here. Today we are talking about why is it that there is another language which seems to be prioritized, which seems to be important than all the other languages.
It's
don't
not
agree
right with that.
Yazi ukuthi ngifuna ukutshela one thing. Lapha semfuna ukukhuluma ipoint engihlala ngicabanga but ngiswele iplatform yokukhuluma. I think I'm safe here. Abantu besishoneni bafana lamaZulu. Thinking that they are better than everyone else just because banengi They think no. I'm telling you.
all right.
I'm telling you the way they look down on other tribes. It's not good. Asonte right there.
Ngicela uku-rewind Mbijana.
What?
A few months ago, we had a minister in Kai.
Wakhuluma ngesishona.
Right. Uminister wafika eNkai okugcwele amaNdebele. Wakhuluma ngesishona and amaNdebele wona lawa esithi thina ahlutshwa. Baqalisa ukuthi why uminister ekhulume ngesishona. Aba appreciateanga i-effort ka-minister. So it's not about Shonas undermining Ndebeles or Ndebeles undermining Shonas. And it's about these two tribes swallowing their pride and agreeing that both of them are Zimbabweans.
Leslie, it's about
how many Ndebeles can speak other languages that are in Matabeleland besides Ndebele?
It's about laying down. It's about laying the ground. Guys, it's about laying down respect before dialogue begins. I'm telling you.
And we are talking about respect.
Yes.
And Matabeleland has more languages. Ndamangai. How many Ndebeles can speak at least half, all right, at least three? Ukuthi hayi mina ngilindebele, ngihlala eMatabeleland, ngiyasazi isikhalanga.
That's not the issue here. You are digressing. No, he's digressing. That's not the
issue. Why?
That's not
because
the issue. We did not say umuntu olishona akhulume isiNdebele. We did not say that. We said nxa kuse parliament umuntu ekhuluma isishona akutranslateele abantu.
Don't assume. That's what I'm saying.
No.
Translator.
Nxa kutranslate abantu laba bengasoze bavunga mesoya. Don't assume. Don't assume everyone knows Shona. Leslie, don't assume everyone knows Shona. That's my thing. That's why ungananzelela. Shonas are like Zulus, South African Zulus. They expect everyone to know their language. No, they expect everyone to know their language. They're bullies' foot.
Mina, I think the wrong is because let's agree that most Ndebeles understand Shona.
No, I'm disagreeing.
Okay. Yeah, for the sake
of
disagreeing.
Do you know why?
Yes.
Do you know why? Into inale assumption inale anti.
It's not an assumption. It's not an assumption.
Guys,
let me give you facts.
Why?
Let me give you facts.
Reasons. Anganika ama facts, faka ama reasons why.
Reasons.
Uyazi ukuthi nani into inale yeyenza ukuthi umuntu okhuluma isiNdebele nxa efika endaweni kuthiwe angizwe isiNdebele. Tawona Shona. And you expect me to respectfully speak with you.
No.
That's the first impression that you are giving me. It's wrong. Right. And one thing utshele Leslie, one thing funga utshela yona. Into leyo ukuthi just because abantu bokubulawe basazishona, you expect umuntu wenkayi, umuntu wecholotsha, umuntu wangapi la ukuthi angafika kobulawe so kumele akhuluma isishona. Khonokho okutsho yani yikho kubangela khona lokho ukuthi kuthiwa everyone knows Shona. Not everyone knows Shona. Kulabantu abasuka eGwanda, kulabantu abasuka eCholotsho, kulabantu abasuka ngaphi. And kulabantu bakhona apha kobulawayo abangasazi isishona. But the moment you say abantu abanengi bayasazi isishona, yikho kwenza ukuthi abantu abakhuluma isishona babe arrogant khona lokho. Because khathesi ungangena eshop khathesi kobulawayo khona lapho ungena eshop khona apha ama tuck shop la uthi mfuna ukuthenga uchago. Antenzi Ndebele. Muri kuthi chi saka change yanyu. Mina vele nhle ngikukhangele so and make you look stupid because you can't be saving me. You can't be saving me and you want me to speak your language.
Mina nangu umbono wami. Shwele ngaze lizonde shwani landaba. Because this is something that I have seen. I used to also be vibrant and say sure siyahlutshwa. Then I realized no abantu laba bahlutshwa la. Abantu laba bayazenzisa. Let me give you facts. Most churches in Bulawayo speak Shona, especially these Pentecostal churches. Umfundisi uyangena achumayele ngeShona iservice ye3 hours. Beloko besithi yes papa amaNdebele.
Kugcwele amashona.
Hayi.
I'm telling you.
Hayi. So it is only a problem sembona ngathi lami ngiku moment of authority. But no besendaweni lapho bayacela khona uncwadi ndizozo
desperation obviously izona ngikutshela one ema church kulama translators number 1 abadlali ngo translator abayekethisa ema church kulama translators number 1 number 2 Number 2,
No,
ama-Pentecostal church vele amaningi
manga.
kugcwele abantu esishoneni guys singatshoni siqambelana amanga.
Bavela
Hamba
ngaphi?
ko-FM uzayi ekobulawa vese kugcwele abantu esishoneni. Which is, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but yikho kukhona. That's the truth that is there. Ama-Pentecostal vele kugcwele abantu abakhuluma isishona. Number 1. Number 2, kulama-translators ema-church.
Not every church.
Akula ba-translator ngesikhiwa la ngesindebele.
No, wena ukuthi uphikisa ukhozi ukuphikisa. Mina I go around churches performing and I'm telling
I
you
also go around
things that are
churches.
happening and I can ukuthi kuphela we are not allowed to do that and but I can
Ama-church
give you
translator,
at least
Leslie.
Not-
Ama-church alabo-translator.
All right, okay. Let's go on.
Fire 5 guys balabo-translator.
yeah it's okay but translator it's okay.
Interpreter.
Interpret. It's not happening. People are getting prophecies in Shona. People are getting sermons. Translator, it's only happening in mainline churches. These prophetic churches, that is majority of people. There are no interpreters in church. Walk around town.
Analawa ama-church angela
Walk around
ama-interpreters.
town. Interpret. Thank you.
Umprofethi wesindebele bani?
A lot of them speak Shona in their services. A lot of them. A lot of them speak Shona in their services.
So you know
and
what?
we are not seeing that as a problem.
Your argument, Leslie, you are saying Ndebele people should conform. Is that what you're saying?
Simple.
You're not serious. I expected better from him. Can you know what?
Aku interpret whatever.
He is saying Ndebele people should conform.
What's wrong?
I
with-
expected better from you.
What's wrong?
You are talking about the extinction of a tribe if you are saying that.
No, I'm not talking about an
If we are
extension of a
conforming,
tribe. I'm
we are-
talking about equipping myself. It is my advantage that I can understand Shona, Ndebele, and English. It's my advantage.
You know
It's
what?
not anyone else's advantage.
And you
it's
know
my
what?
advantage.
You are not wrong. You are right, but can it be something that you do it willingly? Can it be akumelanga kube into lena ukuthi ususenza ngoba awusela choice? Can it be something oyenza ngoba uthanda? Because you are saying it's to your advantage.
It's my
No.
advantage.
No, kade ukhulumile wathi umuntu uyahamba echeche desperate sokumele afike ezwe isishona. Kade separliament ufunga represent abantu bakho and in order for you to effectively represent your people, you now have to speak Shona. Ungahamba VID ukuthi uzuthatha license sokumele ukhulume Shona. That is not choice, my friend. That is not by choice.
Right.
That is force matter.
So my point now is we are so aware that in order for me to survive very well, when I'm because you're in a business woman and you're considered right, perfect. So I'm saying
I'm willing to do that.
it's
Because I'm working.
Aye.
Yiko phela ngithengi ngaye shop angifuni ukufika ngikhulunyiswa ilanguage engafuni ukuyikhuluma. Mina if a client comes to my car wash ekhuluma isishona, I respect them. I respect their language. I speak to them in their language. You get what I'm saying? Angisoze ngithi just because umuntu lo ukhuluma isishona so mele mina ngithi angizwi isishona ufuna. No. Umuntu angafika angathi makadini. I respond in Shona. Salibonani ngikhuluma ngesindebele. Good morning ngikhuluma ngesikhiwa. Do you get it? Angithi icustomer ingabuya ikhulume ngesishona ngithi angizwi isishona. I've never done that. And I have very happy Shona clients because I respect them.
Silwelwa elimini kuphela. Let's talk
Kuqala khona lapho.
And we said we are now talking about choices now. That's what we're talking about, and we are no longer talking about force matter. We are now talking about choices, and kungaphuma ingoma kaWinky D namhla sonke sizigida la.
Ungathi sonke.
Sonke.
You've never seen me dancing to Wicked song.
Wena lapha uyabonga sabalo because lewe selibalutshwana. And ungazuye ngaphi deep down emakhaya bawutshe ukuthi siyayazi.
Hayi mina ngizazi.
Hayi sikuthi awuzazi.
I know him, I don't know his songs.
Uyazazi.
Angizazi mina.
Uyazazi.
Ziphi?
Zona lezi ezijisileyo.
Athi yabona futhi indaba ye-force matter.
Zona lezi ezijisileyo.
Ngibe zazi. Usemforce ukuthi ngibe zazi.
Into ekona balaleli. We don't want babukeli sorry. We don't want to agree to some things. But mina ngumbono wami, I may be wrong because I'm young, but I feel if we start agreeing to some things, then we can easily win this.
Agree to dispose our language.
Not to dispose.
That's what you're insinuating.
Me learning Shona doesn't kick Ndebele out of
It
me.
does, actually. Nxa usufika estage sokuthi usufika kuma platforms akusamela ngikhulume yakho ilanguage somela ukhuluma isiShona uzagcina ukhuluma isiShona lendlini yakho.
So what is the benefit of you not
Mina ipoint yami no Leslie akazi uthini ipoint yami isekuthini it's not wrong to be multilingual anti it's not wrong ungaba sazi isiNdebele ube sazi isiShona but what I'm saying especially in public institutions the government these institutions should respect their people. If you are respecting your people, you are also respecting i-language. Khona lokho abakwenza eParliament ukuthi they are fighting for i-language yethu ukuthi layo ibe recognized. Mina I think it's a good thing. Qhubeka nini ngomsebenzi omuhle.
Kazi ngibecabanga. Bengicabanga ukuthi lapho kusukile khona indawana. Anti into leni mingasebenzi la.
Yeah, kwendlebeni lo kana.
But abantu labana aba interpreter bakhona.
Yes, they're there.
Ngabe baba yehlisile phela oyi1.
Bazomemeza.
Yeah.
The moment isehlisa one mina ansezwa kuhle. Because umama lo ukhuluma isiNdebele anti. Umama lo ukhuluma isiShona so liyehlisa o1 ngoba mina niliveni.
Anti wena ubuthe
nxa bonke bekhona bayehle bonke alright.
Secretary Skaba.
I-language edominator laphana zi2. Very proper. That's why bephikisana omnye ekhuluma isiNdebele omnye ekhuluma isiShona ezinye besingazizwa. So even behlisa abangu2 omunye wathi hayi mina tolika isiShona omunye tolika isiNdebele in real time kona ba I think i-argument leyo ibingazibe khona.
I agree
exactly.
Chief.
Thank you.
My worry I
think isiShona interpret
we'll go back to the video and refer. My main area of concern is the level of immaturity. Because the problem did not start because of mainly interpretation. Because someone had already agreed to interpret. So there was no need.
To interpret what?
Man. There was no need.
Isindebele.
So what you are saying, Uguti, somebody would have come down to interpret. And there was no need for that. Because someone had already agreed to what? To interpret. Owesindebele antu khulumile waqeda. Kungela interpretation. Uminister wasesithi anzwanga. So minister requested for the interpretation. Is that a lie? That's true, and
it's true.
Minister kaphiwanga ichance yokuqeda esakhe statement ukwenza ukuthi omunye umuntu a request for interpretation. Uthe qala ukukhuluma wathi wabhomba. That is where my problem is. I have no problem with anything else, and but I'm saying umuntu wesindebeleni uphiwe ichance wakhuluma waqeda. Ongazwanga wasesithi bengicela lintshele ukuthi kuthweni. Oshoneni sekhuluma asimniki lokuthi afike ekugcineni kwendaba kusehle sithi hayi why engayekelwa aqede sibe sesithi hayi siyaxolisa madam chair asizwanga sicela iinterpretation ngoba lona ucele kuhle lwa unless if I'm wrong uzicelele kuhle so it kucina songasoma facts but kucina sokuyi stupidity at a certain point because lo ucele kuhle lina aliceli kuhle leyachinga so ama facts angapi khona
uyazi ukuthi like I said earlier on ukuthi I problem ukuthi into le and ibingasonto eqalayo ku video lesiko
something that has been happening khonoko kanguyali but nxa kuyukuthi every day kuhlala kwenzakala into and are we saying want to groom hooligans into the parliament abangalaleliyo abaphomba kweqa abangela ama facts abakhuluma into ezingazwakaliyo abayiqama sithi abasimela lathi sithabe bayasimela and why not it was the best time to address this allow the minister to finish uminister qethe ukukhuluma phakamisa isandla hayi kanzwanga ngicela ni interpretation simple
you're making sense.
It was very simple. So that's why I'm saying to a certain extent, we are then going to be led to conform. Because the way that we address our issues is wrong. The issue is there, but the way that the issue is being addressed is wrong. It's not the way to address it. So we have a problem and all of us are aware of the problem. But angisoze ngithi mntanami ungahambi ukuyadinga umsebenzi ngoba bafika bakhulume lawe ngeshoni. Go there mntanami and work. We'll find a way. If you have a chance of learning Shona, my mtanami, learn it. We'll find a way along the lines.
No, indlela akhuluma ngayo khathesa ngiyamuzwa. Mina into engingaphikisana layo indaba yokuthi kuthiwa people have to conform and just fit in quietly. I don't think
Do you know why I was saying people have to conform?
I don't think what you are saying kona lapha, but the way okhulume ngakho ukuthi eParliament no lapha bekumele bayekele uminister aqede. This was an opportunity for them to address this.
Yeah.
I think it makes
because
a lot of
to
sense.
a certain level that's conformed.
Yes, it makes a lot of sense and ngoba indawo lena vele indawo yokulungisa.
So if wena maybe mina ngirong, but mina njengendebele enqambukela ivideo le, I'm not proud. I'm not proud of being Ndebele.
That's not a video to be proud of.
Yeah, I'm not
but
proud.
My
I'm
point,
like, gosh, I wish I was in the
is,
tribe of this woman.
Honestly,
okay, because
anyway, I hope your wish is granted. But ipoint yami isekuthini ngikutshelani. Mina lapha sengikhuluma njengomuntu who's passionate about preservation of the Ndebele language. I love my language and I don't want to see it go extinct. But if we get that mindset yokuthi wherever we go to singathola kukhulunywa isiShona we just conform. I don't think isiNdebele sizalast that long. I think it's important ukuthi kube lama khona ukuthi I don't know whether to call it, I don't know whether it's the right way to call it activism, because activism has been associated with many bad things.
Extreme.
Advocatela language use ukuthi language preserve ikhule. That's why you find ama languages la kade ngikhuluma ngama minority
Tonga,
languages
what?
oTonga and stuff like that. Mind you ngifake lesikhalanga la simaningi amakhalanga maningi kakhulu, but the way okungakhona you think ukuthi abantu abakhuluma isikhalanga balutshwana maningi kakhulu abantu abakhuluma isikhalanga
amakhalanga enkosi.
ukhangele isiTonga, ukhangele isiVenda, ukhangele isiSuthu, no one is even looking at those languages. Uqalisa ngento zene ezincane ukuthi kuthiwa he nxa kukhuluma isiShona yekelani kukhulunywe and stuff like that.
But then
that's when I'm telling you language, guys, I always say this, your language is your identity. It's a huge chunk of your identity, of who you are.
Yeah.
And to tell people to conform to another language, you are telling them to sort of like disregard their identity, to disregard
it's not like
their
that.
culture.
It's not like that.
No, that's what you're saying.
No. That's what
because
you
now
want us to
mina
say.
angithi ngingafika emashoneni ngikhuluma isiShona. It's like you're telling me ukuthi isiNdebele vele asiqakathekanga.
All right.
That's what you're saying.
Ngicela ubuza umbuzo because it's you who say this, not me, and ukuthi the Kalangas, the Tongas and the other tribes, and it's like no one is looking at them, and something like that, and
bavuma ukuconforma khona ukukhuluma.
no, abavuma ukuconforma because amaTonga, they speak iTonga if you go deep ebhinga. And so my point is, and nxa wena isiShona sakhona ungasazi and ufukhangelwa mbani,
Ngikhangelwani?
and uthi no one is looking at them, so it means they are okay.
No, it's because of people with a mindset like yours.
No.
I'm telling you.
I'm saying exactly what you said. Who is supposed to look at them?
It's because of people with a mindset like yours.
Because the only way they can start interacting,
guys,
is
if I'm going to
one
a
party
public
to understand the
institution,
other party.
akula public institution yabhala ukuthi nxa ufika lapha khuluma isiShona, institution le nyaMashona. It's a public institution yabantu beZimbabwe. As long as lesithupha seZimbabwe, kumele ungene laphana uthola usizo. Yes.
That's a very good theory.
So wena nxa usithi nxa mfika laphana,
That's a very good theory.
Do you know, can I give you an example? Can I give you an example? SA, for example. Ungafika kuma institutions, public institutions, even ama notice abo and stuff like that. You find ukuthi kebe kubhalwa is Afrikaans, kubhalwa isiZulu, kubhalwa isiVenda, kubhalwa.
And that is provincial.
Those are small things, but
that is provincial.
Number one, sakhuluma.
No, I'm saying that is provincial. So that's not true. What you're saying
What are
is
you
not
saying?
true. It's not everywhere in SA where you find that.
It's an example.
Yeah.
Ngiyakhona apho ekuthinini indimi zabantu anti azihlonitshwe ziphiwe equal recognition. Asingathi just because you are a majority then everyone has to speak your language. Lina ku constitution libhalile ukuthi ama languages wonke lawa ngama official languages.
Adaptation is an intelligence.
You just made my
Being
day.
able to adapt to a certain environment.
Unless we are saying we want to compete in
abanye-
stupidity.
So abangekho intelligent bakhona they don't deserve being served by their government. Is that what you're saying?
What I'm simply saying is, if I'm Tonga, ukwanisa ukukhuluma
Isindebele lesikhalanga lestonga. Yimi enhlakaniphileyo at the end of the day. I'm so
Asufana
stupid.
nalani? Ufana nale ndoda yabisikhithi lani? So sithi if you are able ukuxolela indoda yakho ugcina umuzi wakho uqhubeke
No, it's not the same.
You are
No.
the wise woman.
No, it's not the same.
It's the same
No,
thing.
it's not.
It is.
It's not. Yeah.
But consider this, yini engifuna ukuba served.
1,
1. Yini engidinga employment.
2.
Is that what you call choice? Because we're calling a choice. Is that choice?
It's choice.
No, it's
actually.
not.
It is.
No.
It is because
No,
you,
it's not.
you can choose to be ignorant to that language and choose to remain
That's not choice, guys.
unemployed.
That is not choice.
It's choice.
Ufosiwe laphana ukuthi uzusikhuluma
Akunamuntu okutwalela
Ufika
umchilo.
laphana ufuna ukuchisa iV yakho ukuthi muri kuday mayi. Ufosiwe ukuthi ukhuluma isishona.
Factually speaking, no, siwakhutha nje lama opportunities singamandebele ngoba kasifuna ukukhuluma.
Mina angiyali. Into ekhuluma angiyali. But what I'm saying ukuthi that is not choice. And mina into engiyiphikisayo
Whatever it
kuLeslie.
is,
Into engiyiphikisa
let's just-
kuLeslie ukuthi kuthiwa conform.
Conform is the
So-
wrong word.
That's what I'm
Maybe
picking
adapt. Yeah, maybe
Conform might
adapt.
be a wrong word.
Maybe adapt. But I'm still with conform.
Leslie Mashoni athandwa kazi.
No, it's not about the love, and it's because mina maybe ngathi kongama circles kwami okufitshana, and I've seen that if you decide to be thick-headed, sure you remain thick-headed and not go anywhere.
Yeah, at the end of the day ngoluzayo.
So I don't want to plant a generation of losers.
So lo anothe akunyarora lutho uluzeni.
Akaluzanga lutho.
Ngizwe usithi
Perhaps
Ukuparliament already uyazidlela imali yakhe. But ipoint ebiqhathekile
Did you watch the entire
Yeah.
No,
Lokuzeni?
we are referring
not
to what we
addressed?
saw. We are referring to what we saw. We are referring to this.
Okade uqhathekile bengani kusokusifika kwaba yi.
What if two issues were addressed? Two important issues were addressed because of that.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
So
What if next in the next sitting you find ukuthi isindebele lesishona is being interpreted and everyone is happy?
So that to a certain
Subject
extent,
to-
it
Because
really
mind you,
changes the economy.
politicians, you phela ama-activists angikhona nalawo. So the manner in which they address things, sometimes it becomes a bit aggressive. Especially after bebonile ukuthi maybe
But
they
it's-
saw ukuthi diplomacy is not working. They decided to be aggressive on it in order for them to
manje
get
Lokhu
results.
singakumbambathi,
If
Uyabo?
diplomacy
Lokhu
ngayilokusebenza
singakumbambathi.
aggressive. Khangela i-majority in that parliament.
No, it's not an issue of majority.
It's an
It's an
issue.
issue. You can be few, but you leave an
Democracy
impact.
is on majority.
You can be few, leave an impact. My point is, ekuthini those people are activists, and so laphana indlela abakade besenza ngakhona. What if that's the way that works for them? That's how they get results.
Is activism just about exploration of stupidity and violence?
The way you are using the word stupidity, Kayan.
No, because mina,
kuyenza ukuthi ama-points akho owakhulumayo ngingani vele.
I'm not happy with the way that they
No,
did it.
you don't insult people just because you don't agree with them.
I'm not insulting.
I can't say
I'm insulting
because
the behavior, not
I'm not saying
umuntu.
because I disagree with you and then I say you are stupid.
Okay, I
Do you get
withdraw.
it?
I withdraw. But
Eh.
I never said anyone is stupid. No, did I?
No, you.
That is-
I said the
no,
behavior.
Yes.
Did I point and
Yes,
say
it's stupidity more than 3 times, I think.
in
And-
reference to who?
And no, you're not. I
In reference to who? No, I
what
mean
I'm saying
even
is
go parliament in reference to who exactly?
We all know who you're talking
No,
about.
I'm not talking about an individual. I'm saying what they did. What they did.
But also know
What they, I'm agreeing with them advocating for the language, but I'm saying not in a stupid way,
yeah.
and I'm not apologetic
No,
about that.
you can. You're guys, what's in? That's
So
why I'm
it-
saying
doing something stupid doesn't mean you are stupid.
These people were protesting. It was their way of protesting. Do you get it? I'm saying we don't know what avenues they have used for their grievance to be addressed.
Tina,
Maybe
auntie,
this is the last
Tina,
option, but
Tina,
no.
we
Let's bangena umsindo ukuthi size sizwiwe.
we are exposed, Tina. We are exposed to something that we have seen, and we are analyzing what we saw to say, okay, lapha sibili, because abantu aba raise the issue. It's not even Ndebele person. Sishona person nothi angizwa. Auntie, isikhalazo zakhe
based on
sananzelelwa.
what we have seen before this video,
Yes,
up to this video, we are also allowed to make assumptions.
Yes,
Ukuthi,
yes.
What if? Yikho lapha engitsho khona ukuthi what if? Mina, I'm not saying
Full speculation.
yazi ukuthi
Sorry. But no,
yazi ukuthi nani mina ngicela ukukhuluma ipoint yami wokugcina. Ni point yami isekuthini when it comes to dialogue. If you want effective results, respect both parties. Kufana lokukhuluma lo mntwana omncane. Just because umntwana mncane kulawe, it doesn't mean you have to disrespect that child. The same as ku dialogue khona lapho, whether it's parliament or whatever. Just because bona banengi, it doesn't mean ukuthi they have to disrespect abalutshwane ngoba laba abalutshwane labo, they are representing a significant number of people in this country. So I'm saying asihloniphanane ukuthi size sikhulume sizwane. Asihloniphanane sihlonipha ilelimi lolimi lwabanye. Because he's like taking it ukwenza kube into encane uyakunciphisa kukhanya ngani into encane into engasiya lutho, but trust me, language is a big issue.
I know.
Language is a very big issue.
Anginciphisanga
But
mina
there was-
lapha ngikhuluma language. When
No.
you have mentioned the issue of respect, and in reference to this mbano ngabanga le respect.
The fact yokuthi isindebele vele is being disregarded.
Sikhuluma ngalokho
But
ongabanga le respect lapha mbani.
Bonke.
And we if we're talking about irrespect
Because when
dialogue,
uzathi ukhuluma ipoint yakho ngithi we uriyani ngiyabe
hayi point besokudlulile
Yeah,
lapha
respect.
okwe point besokudlulile lapha besokuyi chaos. Sikhuluma umqali we chaos lokuyiqala kwakhe I chaos. Anti sikhuluma irrespect.
we are saying
Obulale irrespect ye dialogue
bekuvele
ngophi
kungela
la.
respect. What respect was there? Bekuvele kungela in the first place. The fact yokuthi kuthiwa everyone has to speak one language.
Who say that?
The fact nxa kunga-interpretwanga isishona kutsho ukuthi wonke umuntu uyezwa isishona.
Kanti bese
Obviously.
interpreters khabansi ngakhulunywa. Kulomprofit yini eParliament othi hayi aza kukhuluma
ngoba
nyakwazi
sikaze
Mandebele kuthiwa
si-interprethwe ngoba sikaze
But you know,
si-interprethwe.
asi hayi.
singabhayizi sigcine sesiba ngama-hypocrites town.
Thank you. That's what I'm trying to run away
What?
from.
Now we
Because
are
I'm
fighting
thinking
for a
I'm
minority while used to also standing on other minorities.
Who's standing on a
I've
minority?
tried to mention that.
People here in Matebele land, uLeslie bekhuluma ngakho. How many other minority languages are in Matebele land?
Can we, and how are we accommodating
You are the first
them?
person vele uthi umuntu ohlangana laye koBulawayo la umbingelela ngesindebele. You have never said ukuthi twa
And akakhuluma isitonga awumphenduli.
Eh.
And amatonga they are being victimized khona koBulawayo khona ngamandebele. And we don't want to
You know
talk
what?
about that.
I'm so happy ukuthi you are raising this. I'm so happy ukuthi you are raising this. And yiyo into mina engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi i-language yomuntu, no matter how small the
So
number of
asondaba
people
yamaNdebele.
abayikhuluma, asondaba yamandebele wodwa.
So amandebele lawo ababe ngabathwala umqhele wakho ukuthi we are going to lead in this.
Usahoho we-discrimination usebekwe eceleni. So kukhangelwa enye i-victim
So
khona lapho
that was my point. That was my point from the beginning.
You get what I'm saying?
Ukuthi we've got two major tribes and both these major
vele
tribes.
the moment usebenzisa so major tribe
Hayi no ungafuna ukubalekela ama facts no awungafuna ukubalekela ama facts. Ungafuna ukubalekela ama facts.
what language ekhulunywa majority it doesn't make it
So
a major
majority is major phela. Uthi majority is major.
No, you're making it. Nxa usithi major
I know. Umajor phela anti kokulengi.
It's derived from major majority.
Kunengi kukhulu.
Etymology khona.
Kasithini kanti no kanti.
Hayi, but still vele guys. But
Singabalekeli ipoint because thina yikho engukhuluma ekuqaliseni ukuthi thina nje we forget about our own problems. Then we engage in a world of competition. This is what I'm trying to fix, mina.
no, you're not fixing anything.
Okay, all right, yeah.
The moment you
But
say people must conform, you're not fixing anything.
No, when you want to hold on to one statement and not move on. And try and move on and listen to what
Because
I'm saying. Wait, try and listen and move on.
Okay.
We are saying these guys are discriminating these guys, and these guys have the power to change that, irregardless
what
of Amandebele. By accommodating other tribes, that is actually planting a huge seed.
Yeah.
A very huge seed. Imagine if the whole of Matabeleland is speaking Ndebele and other languages fluent. That's a huge milestone.
So you see church mafika kobulawa.
Sikhulumisa Ndebele.
Khuluma the either of the two languages esilazwe la.
Okay, can I ask you something?
So
How will people in Matabeleland learn the other languages when there is no literature available in those other languages? There is no
is
literature.
there literature in Matabeleland available in Shona?
Gcwele.
Ngabe?
Ama-bookshop agcwele amabhuku esishona.
If we were to talk about bookshops, if we are to talk about bookshops, then I will tell you all languages are accommodated.
Aren't you want to
Demand for that literature.
No, plus if we are to talk about bookshops, then all languages are accommodated.
Leslie,
And I can prove that if we go to bookshops.
Leslie, uthengulalele.
Eh.
Okay, when I'm talking about literature, I'm not talking only about ama-textbooks awesikole.
Okay.
I'm talking about
Plays.
even plays e-theatre khona lake la yenza lokhu zeni yesikhala ngombe
Angizake mina.
iya kibe khona yini
Angikwazi kari.
You get
I
all of
have to watch all plays.
so uyabona ukuthi khangela
mina.
into leyi it's not at individual level. Into leyi it goes kusiya phezulu ku hierarchy, right? Nxa sikhuluma ukuthi abantu bemathebeleni bazafunda njani isitonga, ngoba isitonga I think indaba yama languages ama radios kuqalise recently ukuthi kube lesikhathi sokuthi kuyeke ukukhulunywe ngesitonga. There was a time ukuthi sasikwazi ukuthi ku radio vele ukukhulunywa isiNdebele ukukhulunywa isishona. There was a time sasikwazi ukuthi ku TV and futhi singasabali khona ukuthi ku TV vele I think it's still the same because angikaboni kuthiwa kule film elokhuzwe ngesitonga ifilm enziwe ngesikhalanga ifilm enziwe ngesivenda angikakuboni khona lokho. It's still Ndebele and Shona. And the other thing is ukuthi abantu besindebeleni bafunde fast isishona ukuthi isishona sibe si everywhere. Isishona was in our faces. And even isikhula sasibukela ama-drama esishona and stuff like, no I'm touching into eziningi because isikhathi sesihambile.
Ngiyethanda indlela oziphendula ngayo.
And uthe why amandebele engakhuluma amanye ama-languages?
Angisayi ngitsho njalo. Ngithe mina abaqalise uku-accommodate amanye ama-languages abangawakwanisiyo. And if we are to talk about exposure, and how many Tongas Kates are working for Ndebele in Bulawayo?
How many Tongas are what? Working
for
Ndebele?
Like my industry, Emayadini, and what? How many Kalanga songs did we grow up listening to? From Abondolwane, Abomokis, and so on. How many Kalanga songs were we listening to?
What's your point, Leslie?
I'm saying we just don't want to learn. And we want to find ways of saying we are not exposed to these languages.
The same way as
growing up in Nangimana, I used to watch some programs like Abo Oluhambo. It was in Xhosa, ZPC. It was in Xhosa, Ishutwa Mbembes. And we still have a lot of people that watched Oluhambo, which is Xhosa is so close to Ndebele, and they still can't. And want to, literature, we are exposed, but we don't want. We are exposed to these languages.
You know what?
We are exposed to these languages. We are the lesser version of them.
Of them who?
bona labo esithi ba-discriminate thina we just discriminate in a better way.
Mina, I'm not saying, uyazi ukuthi ngikutshela nti, maybe point yami awiza. I am not saying amandebele enza kuhle. Anti? And I don't want to blame futhi abantu individual, abantu like at individual level, because when unje, what can you do?
So sesiqedile.
And
Sibuyele
my point is ukuthi ungathi mbele kwambuyelanga kuwe ngoba wena anti it's more of like you are saying the Shonas are right and
No,
the
no,
are wrong.
no, not at all.
That's what-
No,
that's what
not
you're
at all.
saying.
There is no way.
Vertically.
No, not at
Whether
all.
it's being done by a majority, whether it's being done by a minority, if something is bad, it's bad.
That
And
is why I'm shaming the bad things.
Indaba isekuthi nxa sibuyele eparliament laphana ngeke ngakhuluma mina ngathi nxa kuse parliament we expect to see uminister webhinga, not that we expect, but I think it would be good ukuthi ubone uminister webhinga represent abantu besitongeni ngestonga. I mentioned
Who is the
that,
former chair
but
of parliament?
akukho khona
If you guys
lokho.
know.
You get it?
That's Mtenda. Where is Mtenda from?
Guys,
Jacob Mtenda.
that is another way of saying how do we accommodate our minority language. That is another way.
Yeah.
He's talking of accommodating them. That is another way. We are wanting to yiko khona lokho. And sometimes futhi enye into indaba inaleyani kuyaqala even khona lapha e-council khona lapha eBulawayo City Council ama councillors ethu. The way they address each other because of ama-tribal differences. It says a lot. And I'm not saying ukuthi amandebele yiwo kumele kukhulunywe isindebele everywhere. I am saying let's konoka dukuchutu how are we accommodating? That's another issue mina engakwanisi ukuyi-answer. But my point is ekuthini khona lapho kuma platforms analawo yikho kumele sibone khona ama-examples of what the people on the ground should be doing. Nxa kuyathiwa eparliament kulamanye ama-languages atranslatewayo lamanye angatranslatewayo, do you think ukuthi abantu phansi lapha baza understand ukuthi kumele kwenziwe njani?
Mina, I am just against that statement yokuthi kulamanye angi-interpretwayo, because there are interpreters in parliament that interpret every language, and there was a technical problem that resulted to this. Previously, kudala lesingakabi exposed to technology. Yes, this was a big thing.
Okay, so now the thing is, I think Mina and Leslie were agreeing, but we don't know how to agree because we're talking about accommodating everyone. We're talking of accommodating each other. So I think we are failing on how to agree khona lapho. But mini point yami sekuthini, I think every language is important. Because like I said, ukuthi language yomuntu i-identity yakhe. So every language is important and every language has to be prioritized. That's how I feel. And I actually think ukuthi kuhle ukuthi into enale, I don't know how it can be addressed, but I hope from public sector to private sector, I'm just hoping ukuthi kuza address, because guys, everywhere, every language, the 16 languages are part of the constitution. So I just feel ukuthi let's accommodate each other. Guys, asithandaneni. Shona ndebele tonga khalanga venda whatever. Let's just thandana. I hope it's possible.
Yeah. Kuzaba nzima nxa usuvucela imota kusifaya. Ayadlala bafethu, ayadlala. Right, I promised to read something, so I'm just gonna read one today. Mthande lapho akade ephikisa khona lono uqinisani othi eka Knox inzima kakhulu bafowethu phela. Before we say Knox is wrong, we have to find the root cause. Why did Leroy leave her? Does this mean Leroy doesn't know about the kids or vele for the past 7 years his happiness was with Knox? Vele namhla soze sikhulume ngakho, asilandaba ukuthi kuhamba njani, kuphose kwanchayisa last week. But bafethu, it's always nice to talk about these things. I think one way or the other, somebody needs healing. It's something that we can maybe all partly agree on. We need some healing, and once we start getting this healing, I think we can then learn to be accommodative. Everyone is just toxic these days. Ungangena on social media, upost a picture yakho swimming pool, ugqoke bikini aqhaza uthi hey wena umama wabantwana abangu4 wenzani ye.
Say musina kufeka.
Ziyakhala
Mai.
ugcine ukuthanyarana ando. So this is what is happening. It was me and no child abuser. I'm even losing voice. But Bafetu, this is the gossip. This is what is happening. Emalangeni. I'm still talking to Umfana Mubuto. Buto is bringing something very soon. Like I said, it's ama details. I think in Lichelile last week, ukutikule pugu from Dontutuzo, Elibuyayo, and the moment Ilipuma, akasoze abe yi-co-host ngizambiza for interview ahlale lapha ngimtshela ukuthi isindebele lesayisilo. So iBhuku is coming very soon and it's going to be khona enkundleni exclusive. We're going to talk more about it once it's out. Khathesi I think usa-correct ama-spelling akasihlalo lapha ngabona ebhale isihlabo sikababa ngathi hayi no ayisikho lokho no. And iposter nanto walifaka lapha lawa amawala ngingakakhulu i-one man show kaGeneral liyabuya. A poster is designed by Okuhle Designs. Their color bafethu. 19 July their color Ebulawayo Theatre. Like I said, I've got some gossip ngikhuluma loKhwezi and is working on something with Matopo High School Choir. Their color bafethu. Bulawayo artists are working. Zimbabwean artists are working. It's happening all over Africa. Let's keep our eyes and ears tuned up. I was talking with Umfano Soto yesterday. He was working on his video. Things are happening. But ngiyabenlinika wonke ama details andi mina ngithanda makuwa but lingabatsheli ukuthi nilitshelile kunye kodwa engakhuluma manje so level shallow. And but let's comment Bafethu. Ngiyabe mbala ama comment. Ungangithethisa ambali ungathethisa unonyabala yimi mbala. But it has been an interesting episode. No, what do you want to say to the viewers?
Guys, you know what? Sesizumpimbo omsokhaya. Lesbiya ngenza ngikhulume kakhulu mina somuntu okhuluma kakhulu mina vele into zokhuluma ngizithandi. But anyway guys, my point is still guys, let's love each other. Asithandaneni, let's understand, let's respect each other. Asizwananeni. So please guys, do comment khona lapho, subscribe and like, follow iDeb3 events ikhona kuma social media pages, ikhona ku Facebook, ikhona ku Twitter. I still call it Twitter. X ikona ku TikTok. Please do follow and engage. Tina Lati as the presenter is kona futhi social media mina ngikhona Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Ibizo nondutuzo ncube. Guys, I can't wait ukuthi libone iBhuku elibuyayo isihlalo sika baba.
Yeah. Kuthiwa asithandaneni lapana no, and specifically now that it's winter asithandaneni kakhulu sibili bafethu kuyaqanda. Asithandaneni sibili sibambani. You know, kuyaqanda bafethu. But well, it has been an interesting week. There is a lot that's happening. Namhla sithe no what is kwesitshana indaba zabantu bagcina besitshala lapha bathi ngoba uliro yanto besemfonisi so I that no carry what is case check but well, we bring this discussion so that we hear from you. We need your knowledge, we need your guidance, we need your wisdom. Just say something, go comment section about I know guys, I think kumele kubenje, or I think kumele kubenje, or I think kumele kubenje. We'll just pick it up from there, and well, you never know. But from me, General Leslie, across all platforms, Lonondu Tuzongcube across all platforms. Salbona Singalkhangela.